Forget what you know about dieting. Intermittent fasting isn't about counting calories or cutting out food groups. It's about when you eat. This isn't some new fad. It's an ancient practice, from Hippocrates in Greece to major world religions, now refined for modern life. The idea is simple. You cycle between periods of eating and voluntary fasting, typically lasting 12 to 24 hours. So how does it work? The most popular method is 16-8. You fast for 16 hours, often just by skipping breakfast, and eat your meals within an 8-hour window. Others prefer the 5-2 diet, eating normally for 5 days and heavily restricting calories for 2. There's even the eat, stop, eat approach, a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. But why do it? Beyond the natural weight loss from a shorter eating window, fascinating things happen inside your body. When you fast, insulin levels plummet, telling your body to start burning stored fat for fuel. Human growth hormone can spike, helping you build muscle and lose fat. But the real magic might be at the cellular level. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells literally self-eat, clearing out old junk proteins. Think of it as cellular housekeeping, a deep clean that may offer protection against major diseases. It also improves insulin sensitivity, fights inflammation, and can even boost brain function. Of course, it's not for everyone. It is vital to talk to your doctor before starting, especially if you have health conditions, are pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders. You might feel irritable or get headaches at first, but that usually passes. The key is staying hydrated. Getting started requires careful attention to your body's signals, but once synchronized, many find this rhythm far easier to maintain than the constant math of calorie counting.